There's nothing more powerful and beautiful than the rapturous expression of the book of Psalms. This new translation is faithful to the Hebrew Old Testament and is the work of one of the most renowned experts of the ancient biblical Hebrew in the world, Dr. Robert Morey. In this set, not only will you receive that translation, but you'll receive, a discussion from Dr. Morey. It's more than just a discussion. It's a comprehensive theology and a truly concise expression of God's mind expressed from the inspired heart of the psalmist. It is all that, but it is even more. Here you can learn how to use the book of Psalms to express your joy in the Lord, how to worship Him in the beauty of holiness, how to learn to pray in ways the Lord says pleases Him. If you want to learn more about this set and its richness, click the link below, and God bless you.